Healing principle number one, okay? The composition of the human body must remain in balance in order for healing to happen, okay? Here's the thing, toxicology and nutrition are kind of two sides to one coin, okay? On one side you got toxins, all right? Those toxins want to get into every place where nutrients are supposed to be in your cells. And on the other side, we have nutrition. And nutrition should be supplying the cells with all of the nuts and bolts and the working parts that they need in order to keep functioning and keep replicating, right? The other thing that nutrition does is it blocks the body's absorption of toxins, okay? Not only helps the body metabolize toxins out, but it also works as a barrier, keeping toxins from plugging into the cells, correct? All right, so let's talk real quick. My favorite analogy on the composition of the body is very, very similar to soil, okay? Think about this. Soil is moisture, okay, so we have water. Soil is also microbes, okay, we have soil, we have microbes, water, and we have varying levels and ratios of the periodic table. That's what soil is. So we got, within soil, you've got water or moisture, you got microbes, and you have varying ratios of the periodic table, right? Okay. In the human body is 65% oxygen and 11.5% hydrogen. Okay, if you mix those together, you get water, which makes the human body 76.5% water. All right. Then we have the rest of the periodic table, correct? We got all these other elements in our body. You know, we've at least 73 elements that are supposed to be in our body. And then we have about 1,000 times more microbes in our body than we do cells. Okay, you have 1,000 times more microbial DNA in your system than you have human DNA. All right, so the human body is, we have water, we have varying ratios of the periodic table, and we have microbes. And those are the components of our body. And those things have to be in balance and have to be in the right ratios in order for you to be healthy. Okay, we get too much calcium in our body, it makes us sick. We get too much lead in our body, it makes us sick. We get too much mercury in our body, it makes us sick. We get too much strep in our body, it makes us sick. We get too much candida in our body, it makes us sick, okay? We get too much water or too little water, okay? It makes us sick. So imbalances in the composition of the body create the environment for disease to take place. So maintaining the composition of the body in balance is paramount for healing to happen. So that's principle number one.